Time travel. It sounds strange and interesting, doesn't it? Imagine you press a button and a few seconds later you open your eyes and see the streets of Paris in the 1920s, or the flying cities of 500 years later. The greatest dream of humanity, the master plan of science fiction, time travel. I will use this time travel opportunity to correct my mistakes in the past. So what do you do? If your ideas are interesting, don't forget to comment. So is this just a dream of Hollywood screenwriters or a real possibility hidden in the codes of the universe? Today, we will visit the darkest corners of physics. We will put everything on the table, from Einstein's theory of relativity to the grandfather paradox. If you are ready, fasten your seatbelt, because where we are going, it may be in some places. Let's clarify one thing. What is time? In Newton's time, time was treated as a constant river that flowed the same for everyone. But then in 1905, a young patent clerk, Albert Einstein, came along and turned everything upside down. Einstein told us that time doesn't matter. Oh, it's elastic. It's like rubber. If you move faster, time slows down for you. This is not just a theory, my friends. This is a fact. Please contact us. Why? Because they move faster than us and are further from the Earth's gravity. Personal security satellites technically live in our future. Now we come to the most interesting part. Traveling to the future is physically possible. For this, we need two things, either incredible speed or enormous mass. 1. Approaching the speed of light. If you board a spaceship and travel for 1 year at 99% of the speed of light and return to Earth, it will be decades on Earth. You've only aged 1 year, but your friends have long since retired. You've jumped into the future. 2. Gravity black holes. Remember the movie Interstellar? 1 hour on Miller's planet was equal to 7 years on Earth. This is called gravitational time dilation. Time seems to freeze near a giant black hole. If you could circle a black hole a few times and come back, you could step back 1,000 years to Earth. So if you bought such a ticket, who would you leave behind? Why not? The most famous theory for traveling to the past is the theory of wormholes. Imagine that space is a sheet of paper. To shorten the distance between 2 points, you fold the paper and make a hole. This hole can take you to the other end of the universe or to another point in time. But there's one problem. Paradoxes. Have you ever heard of the grandfather paradox? Imagine going back in time and preventing your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. Then your father would not have been born. If your father were not born, you would not have been born either. But if you were not born, how could you have gone back in time and prevented that event? This is a question that burns the brains of physics. Some physicists say that it is impossible to change the past. The universe will not allow it. Others put forward the theory of multiverse, multiple universes. You create a new universe parallel to the past. World-famous physicist Stephen Hawking once organized a party for his time travelers. But he printed the invitation after the party was over. The logic was, if some time machine was invented, the travelers would read it and come. The result? No one came. But is this the rule that time travel will never be invented? Why not? Or maybe transportation to the past is simply physically impossible. In conclusion, the requirements are mathematical equations, and Einstein's laws of physics do not say no to time travel at all. Going to the future is just a matter of technology and speed. But the past still continues to protect its secrets. Perhaps the greatest time machine is our memory and dreams. Because we go to the past with memories and hopes for the future. But remember, the real time zone you own is. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to broaden your horizons and expand your knowledge, subscribe to our channel and join our community. See you in the next video.